Students, now our next part is the formation of moon. Yes, now we are going to know about the formation of moon, because before that we have learned a lot of stars, planets, everything's formation, all are the celestial bodies. So now we are going to know about the formation of the moon. The moon, the earth's sole natural satellite. Yes, we can make other satellite also, but moon is a one and only natural satellite of earth, which has a complex formation history. Sir George Darwin, in the year of 1838, all of you please remember the year and the person's name, who proposed the theory where the earth and moon originated from a single rapidly spinning entity. Okay, so single rapidly spinning entity is the source of the formation of earth and moon, eventually breaking apart when something is made. If I am drawing something, the diagram, if something is made and they are jointly made together, but little bit time later it's coming apart from each other. It's coming apart from each other. That's how the earth and the moon formation was happened. Who made this formation? Who made or the propounded this theory? Sir George Darwin in the year of 1838. However, this theory are now outdated, but this widely accepted explanation in modern science is the giant impact hypothesis. The name all of you need to remember, giant impact hypothesis or the big splat. So what the theory states us, the answer will be from this to this. What the theory states us, the theory posits that a celestial body, that means all heavenly bodies, 1 to 3 times the size of Mars, collided with the early Earth, which ejecting a large amount of debris into the space, and this debris gradually colliding each other and formed the moon approximately 4.4 billion years ago. That was a full theory which was known as giant impact theory. In a short, if I am explaining the theory, the most accepted theory for the formation of the moon today, it's called the giant impact theory. It proposes that the moon formed during a collision. If I am writing over there for your understanding, you can also note down. Due to the collision between Earth and other smaller planet, between Earth and other planets. Okay. So after that, the collision was started and about the size of Mars, and the debris from the impact collected in an orbit around the Earth to form the moon. So the colliding body is sometimes called the Theia. It's called the Theia, a new terminology. And from the name of the mythical Greek Titan, who was the mother of Selene, who was the goddess of the moon, that was believed that Theia. An analysis of lunar rocks published in a 2016 report suggests that the impact may have been a direct hit, which causes a thorough mixing of both parent bodies. That was the basic theory which states the giant impact theory, which is the source of the formation of moon. Come to the short pointers for the summary. Yes. First, we have learned the Darwin's theory, which recognized the outdated theory of a single spinning mass. Yes, we have learned it was a single spinning mass, but both were merged together. But still, after this happening, both were apart from each other, Earth and Moon. After that, what happened? The alternative early belief, what it was? Awareness of the theory linking the moon's material to the Pacific Ocean's formation. Giant impact hypothesis, we have already learned that approximately 4.4 billion years ago, Basically, it believes that the moon was started to form. So giant impact hypothesis is the theory through which we can explain the formation of moon due to a massive collision. And formation timeline, that the timeline is 4.4 billion years ago. It was the estimated timeline. It's approx. Real life case study, what is written over there? The lunar rocks analysis. The study and the analysis of lunar rocks brought back by the Apollo missions. This is very important. Apollo missions, which serves as a real life case study. These rocks, what happened? It happened instrumental in understanding the moon's composition. Like in our earth, there are different gaseous compounds, dust compounds. So for the moon, what were the basic compounds and which have provided evidence for supporting the giant impact hypothesis. So offering the insights in the moon's origin and consistent with the theory which described by this person, and it was known as lunar rocks analysis, and the theory name is, all of you know that just now we have learned that celestial body moon related, moon's formation related theory which is called giant impact hypothesis.